The latest now on today's landmark ruling legalizing same-sex marriage in all 50 states.
Today's decision by the Supreme Court paves the way for thousands of gay and lesbian couples to marry in states that previously banned same-sex marriage.
And it means the marriages of same-sex couples who wed in states where it was already legal, like Rhode Island and Massachusetts, must be recognized nationwide. Emotional
celebrations erupted outside the Supreme Court and across the country when the ruling was announced this morning.
The 5-4 decision fell along liberal conservative lines, with Justice Anthony Kennedy giving the pivotal swing vote.
And almost immediately, gay and lesbian couples began marrying in many of the states where same-sex marriage was previously banned.
Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen joins us now live in our studio with the developing details.
Well, supporters of same-sex marriage have been waiting a long time for today, but the president said today's ruling came like a thunderbolt. A sea of cheers. This moments after the Supreme Court ruled same-sex marriage is legal nationwide.
This is a wonderful day for equality. It's a great victory, and it's a victory for love.
With a crucial swing vote, the court decided 5-4. It requires every state to recognize same-sex marriages and issue marriage licenses for gay couples. President Obama praised the decision. He spoke at the White House after the ruling came down, commenting on the long road to get here.
And then sometimes there are days like this, when that slow, steady effort is rewarded with justice that arrives like a thunderbolt.
Immediately, lines of same-sex couples applying for marriage licenses formed in Texas. The Supreme Court ruling comes more than 2 years after Rhode Island legalized same-sex marriage in a grand ceremony at the State House. Although Friday's major Supreme Court ruling does not change Rhode Island laws, it allows gay couples married in the Ocean State to move to other states that previously had bans against same-sex marriage to now have their union recognized. Now, Rhode Island Congressman David Cicilline, who's long been a supporter of same-sex marriage, says there's still more work to be done in ending discrimination against gays and lesbians. And stay here for Eyewitness News at 6. I speak with a former state rep who married his partner the first day it was allowed in Rhode Island. He tells me what today means for him. I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.